Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm excited because I'm going to go over my monthly Scentsy Club for August. I just got it, but we just got some really exciting Scentsy Club news that I'm going to share with you for the month of September. So super excited. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Are any of these your favorites? Do you have any questions about the new stuff? All right, you guys, let's get into it. So this is exciting stuff. First thing I'm going to do is show you my Scentsy Club. This is my monthly. I've already shown you my quarterly. Then we are going to talk Scentsy Club news because we have three really cool things that have just been released about Scentsy Club. So the first thing I'm going to show you, actually, scratch that, reverse it. Let's talk about Scentsy Club first. So if you've never heard of Scentsy Club, what is it? What is this club you speak of? Well, this club is amazing because you control it, okay? You basically go to my website and decide which consumable products like wax bars, room sprays, body wash, whatever is consumable that you want to get either monthly, bi-monthly, or every 3 months, okay? And then you can decide how much you want to put in there as well. Here's a tip about that. You can always reduce, you cannot increase if it is no longer available. So let's say you have 2 bars, like this is reality right now because this is my life. 2 bars of cherry almond pie and you wish, man, I wish I could have put 3 bars in there. I should have put 3 bars in there. Well, it's no longer available. This was part of a bring back my bar. So I cannot increase the amount when it's not available, but I can say, you know what? I just want 1 bar. I can't decrease, okay? So you can do that. But if it's still available, like let's say it's counter clean or something that's available at the time, then you can increase the amount. So that's the deal, okay? So that's the cool thing. And as you see, this bar is no longer available, but I still get it because when it was available, I stuck it in my Scentsy Club. So if you try a new collection or something and you like love it, then you can go ahead and put it in your club and always get it, even when it's no longer available for everybody else, right? So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go into my club. So this, like I said, was one of my favorites. When it originally had released, I didn't like it, and now I love it, and I'm obsessed, and I do wish I had put more of it in there. It is so, so good. It's cherry almond pie, but you actually really smell the almond, and I love that. I love that about it. Okay, so I love that. So then I got 2 bars of Catching Z's, which I absolutely am obsessed with. So I have 2 bars of that, which is fantastic. Yum. Then I have 2 bars of Coconut Cotton, which is the only scent that I use in my bathroom, but guys, it's fall. So I do have a really nice stash of this. So what I may do, because I also have a bar of it, I believe, in my quarterly, I may drop it down to 1 bar because right now I'm not going to be using it for 6 months. So I'm going to have a nice stash for spring, summer. So I may be changing my Scentsy Club. So be on the lookout for me doing videos about the updates on my club. Same with this toasted marshmallow. I'm obsessed with it, but right now, and I get 4 bars of it. Right now I have a huge stock of it, which when I say stock, I don't mean for other people. That's like my I don't carry stock. They're my bars. But now I have such a big supply of it, I don't need 4 bars anymore. So I may be dwindling this down, and I may go to 2 bars. But I love toasted marshmallow. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. It's beyond good. But I may go down to 2 bars because I don't need 4 bars anymore. Same exact thing. This was an Easter collection that I loved, and it's a Blueberry Burst, but I have 4 bars of it. I don't need 4 bars of it. So I may go down to 2 bars because now I have a nice stash, because this last month I started using my fall scents, and so I don't think I'm gonna need 4 bars. I think by the time spring is around, I will have a nice stash for myself. So I am going to drop it to 2 bars. But this was part of a Easter 3-pack, and I loved it. So it's in my club. The last one is Toffee Butter Crunch, which I did not use in the summer, but now is the time that I love Toffee Butter Crunch. So we are going to be warming the heck out of this one. Oh my God, it's so good. This was a scent when I first joined Scentsy in 2016. This was in our fall winter catalog, and I loved it. All right, another thing that I get is I get my cotton cleanups. So I'm obsessed with these. They're the best. And then here's a little side note. So if you set up a club and your club is over $30, you get 10% off your order. 10% off your order. Just for ordering what you were going to order anyway, right? But if you hit $60 in your club, you get a half-priced item, which I chose my counter clean because I go through a lot of it. So that's great. But here's the cool news. So that was my club, okay? So let's talk Scentsy Club news. All right, we used to have a blackout date of 10 days prior to when your order is processed. You couldn't change your order. They are done with that. Now you can literally change your order, which I love, because there's been times where I'm like, I go to change it and it's in the blackout time and I couldn't change it. And you can now change it up to 12:30 a.m. Pacific time the day your order processes. I love that. I love that they did that. All right, here's another cool thing that they're doing for September is every single order is going to get a bar of Fairy Tale Pumpkin. So whatever you order, even if it's just 1 bar in your Scentsy Club, you're going to get a bar of Fairy Tale Pumpkin. That is fantastic. Then if your order goes over $60, not only will you get your half price item, but they are going to give you a bag of cotton cleanups for free. So these are 10 bucks, 9 or 10 bucks. And so that's fantastic. You're going to get a bag of these for free, and you're going to get the free bar, the Fairy Tale Pumpkin, and those are $6. So that's like 16 bucks of free stuff just for having your club over $60. So that's fantastic. So yay, Scentsy Club. What is that? I mean, I might as well do the Dumbledore clap. What? I don't know. I don't know. Judge me. Go ahead. I'm a weirdo. Anyway, so I'm really excited about this new, the new stuff. And I love the fact that they got rid of the 10-day blackout period. So nice. You really, really can control what's in your club right until the day they process it. So that's amazing. All right, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my little Scentsy Club. This is my monthly. Like I said, I'm going to be probably doing a video on changing all of my Scentsy Clubs because I'm going to have too many of these bars. I love them, but I don't need that many. So I'm going to drop it down. Anywho, I hope you're having a great day, TGIF, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.